You can do pretty much anything you want to do to chili, and chili's not going to get mad at you. It's one of my favorite little comfort food meals. Ten-minute chili. Hello, and welcome back to Healthy with Heartland. I'm your host, Chef Arden. Today, we're going to be doing a one-pan, 10-minute chili. Perfect for game day, perfect for those brisk fall nights. So, to get started, our ingredients we're going to be using today, instead of your traditional ground beef or turkey, we're using something called beefalo. Now, you know him very well. We're welcoming back the beef barista himself, Justin Freistadt, to let you know a little bit more about the product.
So what is a beefalo, do you ask? So the actual breakdown of the genetics: 3/8 bison, 5/8 cow, read them together, and you have beefalo. So why beefalo over beef? 70% less cholesterol, half of the calories, and half of the fat. So if you're trying to keep the cholesterol low, you gotta go beefalo. All right, tossing it back to the chef.
Thank you so much, Beef Barista, for dropping that knowledge bomb. So, I already know what you're thinking. Chili in 10 minutes, that's impossible. A lot of times you put it in a crock pot at the beginning of the day, you come home, and then it's finally done. Well, I'm gonna show you this really quick, easy, family recipe hack to use. It's very simple to do. There are tons of ingredients that you already have in your house that you can use to make this. It is very simple. So, to get started, I've already got my pan going on about a medium-high heat. Get your beefalo out of the packet. We don't have to worry about seasoning it first. Our pan is nice and hot. We've got some olive oil in it. So we're going to go ahead and just lay these in there and start cooking them down. So while our beefalo or your ground beef is cooking down, we're going to go over the spices that you can use: chili powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're going to go for a little bit of paprika. That's going to add that nice smokiness to it. And then just a little bit of cayenne pepper, because I do like that multiple layer of heat. For beans, you can use a mix of kidney beans, but we're going to be using black beans. And then for tomatoes, once again, very versatile here. You could use canned crushed tomatoes. You could use fresh tomatoes. But what I have here today are tomatoes that were grown and canned in my family's garden back home in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. I've never had tomatoes taste anything like this, so this is what really puts it over the top. And as a secret added ingredient, we are going to be using my grandmother Hall's secret chili paste. The recipe for it is very simple. You can go to the store and buy a array of garden variety peppers, things like banana peppers, bell peppers. Cook that down on a low heat with a couple of spices like you're seeing right here, and then just let it cool down and jar it, can it, or save it for later use. But it adds just an amazing, unique flavor to the chili itself. So now it's time to start seasoning the beef. It's about 60 to 70% all the way done, so we can start adding these layers of flavors and to have them continuously permeate through the chili as we cook. Dance. So once you get your chili to your desired thickness, some people like it just a little bit looser. I kind of like mine nice and hearty. Once that's done, you literally just take it off the heat and you bring it over. Now that is how you do a 10-minute, one-pan chili with minimal ingredients, but it's enough to feed a family of 4, family of 5, or if you're a smaller family, one day and some leftovers, or maybe next week for the game. But it's simple to make, packed with flavor, and it's just a real value, simple meal to do.